Today, the 800 kilowatt-hour village solar power project in Chad, undertaken by our company, has successfully passed government inspection and officially commenced operation. As a showcase project of Tanfon in Africa, the site attracted high-level government delegates, including leaders from the National Power Authority, the governor, and the mayor, for an on-site visit and guidance. The project is equipped with 1,000 high-efficiency solar panels and 400 kilowatt-hour energy storage units, forming a stable and reliable power supply system for the village. The solar panels cover an installation area of 3,500 square meters, while the inverters, lithium batteries, and diesel generators occupy a footprint of approximately 400 square meters. The project was executed efficiently. The installation of the solar panels was completed in just 20 days, and the debugging of the inverters, lithium batteries, and diesel generators was finished within 10 days, demonstrating our strong capabilities in project execution and local implementation. If you have any commercial or industrial solar project needs, feel free to contact us. We offer competitive China-based pricing, along with local installation and after-sales support, delivering clean, stable, and efficient energy solutions to the African market.